Good morning, it's Graham from Unearthed, and today I'm not out detecting. Our season should have started this weekend, but the weather has turned a bit nasty, so I've decided to come up to my small warehouse and start sorting out some stock ready for new stock arriving. So I thought it might have been an opportunity to give you a bit of a more in-depth demo on the TechPoint probe. Now, a lot of people buying these and finding them a very smart piece of kit. One or two are buying them and not understanding the features, so I'm going to run through how I use it because it's very simplistic. So you can see it's attached to my lanyard, so I don't lose it. One button operation, as you can see. To turn it on, it's very simple. That's it on. Now, they will beep and pick up various bits and pieces. It's picking up my watch there. Just to see what I did, I just pressed it once to stop it beeping. Now, feature-wise, you've got LED light. To change the sensitivity levels, you keep your finger on the button. You'll hear a little alarm. There she is. That's 1, 2, 3. You can hear 3 beeps, and that was sensitivity level 3. Now it's set on sensitivity level 3. To change it back, again, the alarm. 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That's the levels of sensitivity. So simple. And now it's set. And you can go through that system to do the vibrate, the noise and vibrate, noise on its own, and that sort of thing. So let's have another little go. Vibrate. 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to put it on sensitivity level 2 for me. That's it, done. Now I have it on sensitivity level 2, and the reason is, if I have it on 3, just a little bit too much. And I'll show you. It's picking up all the metal underneath this thing, underneath this desk. Silver denarius, can you see that? Got a bit of gun stuck to it. Still needs a bit of a clean. Believe it or not, I do find these. I'm not just a dealer, but I mean the depth of this thing is unbelievable. Now if I change the sensitivity, look at the difference. Unbelievable on the denarius. Even have it on the side. I've turned the coin to the side. Now then, turn it off and show you my old probe, which was roughly on the same level as the Garrett's. It was performance-wise, it was a Garrett Black, and it's the Mars probe. It's okay, it did the job, but watch this. Coin to the side, literally has to be touching it. Depth wise, if I can get my fingers adjusted right, I'm talking, and actually, that's better. Oh. And it starts faulting. Bloody rubbish. Hopeless probes. And away, faulting again. Until I turn it off. So these things are far superior. Don't be frightened of them. People are frightened of them. They're turning them on the house. It's picking up all the metal around them. Don't be frightened. All you've got to do is just press it. Once it's turned on, and if it starts being erratic, just press it. Press it once, it'll stop it. Or again, if you're out in the field and it starts beeping and being erratic, point it to the ground and just press it. It ground balances the probe. Sorted. Do never be frightened of accessories. They are the best in the planet. 16 frequency shift settings, and I'll take you through that now actually. Right, so it's on. Keep your finger on for the alarms. First alarm, wait for the second one now. There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's taking me through all the different frequency shifts settings for your machine. If it plays up against, I don't know, you might be using a different machine than a Technetics machine, you can take it through them 16 frequency settings and it will find the right one for your machine. So, very advanced piece of kit and so easy to operate. 2 AA batteries in this end, happy days. Now you can see me with a lanyard attached. This is a heavy duty lanyard, a lot better than them cheap Chinese things that you'll see banded around. I just fasten this Velcro part to my belt. I don't lose it. It's fixed by the O-ring. We stock them. Here they are. This one's in black. Brilliant sellers for us. We sell loads of these, and you can see why, because they're much more substantial than the rest. A little bit more expensive, but you pay for what you get. So that's that sorted, that side of it. Now, another thing I was going to talk about was headphones. Now, for years and years I've been detecting, 38 years coming up, and we never really put too much thought into headphones until maybe around about 15 years ago, detecting on a Roman site. A friend of mine had a really cheap pair of headphones with his machine that was supplied with the machine. He was only picking up surface finds, and I knew this because I was walking behind him picking up the stuff he'd missed. And when we tested his headphones, they wouldn't pick up targets over a few inches. He actually took the headphones off his metal detector and started finding more. So it's absolutely crucial that people have the correct headphones for their machine. However, you try getting that over to people. I've known people get rid of the machine before they get rid of the headphones. That's how crazy it is. Headphones are the second most critical part of detecting. If you've got a crystal clear set of headphones that are made correctly for detectors, they'll find the stuff, the deeper targets, the coins on edge, the deeper artifacts, whereas the cheap and cheerful headphones that are out there, they just won't filter through. So for example, I mean, these are not the ones I use currently, but these are the Detector Pro Uniprobe headphones, which are very, very expensive. These far outperform the cheap and cheerful headphones that are out there, the cheap Chinese made ones that are supplied with metal detectors. Now, I've got to be honest with you guys, the headphones that we supply with detectors free, we put them in the package free of charge. So it costs us to put them in. However, they're not the best. So what I'm saying to people now is, okay, you've got your machine, you've paid X amount of pounds for your metal detector, you've got a free set of headphones with it, but save up your money and invest in a really good set of headphones, because it'll make such a massive difference. People are ringing me up and saying, oh, I bought this metal detector off you a month ago, or 2 months ago, or 3 months ago. I'm not finding a great deal. What headphones are you using? Well, I'm not using headphones, that's one. Or I'm using the headphones that were supplied, or I've got a pair off eBay, or I've got a pair from the second-hand shop. Usually, they're not up to the job. So, invest in a good set of headphones. It's far better using headphones or good sets of headphones than not using them at all, because then you're relying on the metal detector speaker alone, drains the batteries down quicker, won't pick up the deeper targets, believe me. So if that's any advice I can give to people, invest in a good set of headphones, please. You don't have to buy them off us. There's up-team dealers out there that stock good headphones. By all means, look around. This isn't a sales pitch. I'm just trying to give you guys honest advice. Once you buy a metal detector, get the headphones in. So that's about it. I'm hoping to do some more videos out in the field. We're starting detecting probably next week if the weather allows us. But remember, the TechPoint probes, the best on the planet. Don't be frightened of them. Use them correctly. Set them correctly. Happy days. Sensitivity level 2. Find the frequency setting that's good for your particular detector. Plain sailing. Do not be frightened of it. I hope that helps. If you're out this weekend detecting, good luck. That's all for now.